Stop. Before you pay another dollar for any AI tool, watch this. Google just quietly dropped something most people completely walked past. It's called AI Studio. It's 100% free, and in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you everything.
AI Studio is Google's own platform, and it gives you access to their two most powerful AI models.
Gemini 3 Flash for deep, complex tasks. Gemini 2.5 Pro for fast, everyday work.
Now here's where this gets absolutely insane. Meet the Build tab. You just type what you want in plain English. No code, none. And it just builds it live right in front of you. Click anything. Say what you want changed. It updates instantly. I built a habit tracker with streak animations in under 10 minutes. No code at all. And that's just one feature. Stay with me because what comes next is where it gets crazy. Nano Banana. Create images, swap backgrounds, keep consistency across multiple frames. Text-to-speech, multiple voices, emotional range, podcast quality, still free.
Hello, this is a test of the text-to-speech feature.
Hello, this is a test of the text-to-speech feature.
System instructions. Set your context once. It applies to the whole session. Stop repeating yourself in every prompt. System instructions. Set your context once. It applies to the whole session. Stop repeating yourself in every prompt.
Most people will watch this, say cool, and do nothing. Don't be that person.
The people winning with AI aren't smarter, they're just moving faster. Subscribe, and I'll make sure you never fall behind.